All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the private browsing mode in your Safari browser on your iPhone 12. First, we got to open up Safari. Cha-ching. Right, I've got it on Birthday Comp, which is it's a birthday gift site from local businesses, and that just opened up because that's the last thing I was looking at. But what you have to do to find your private browsing is you've got to go down to the bottom. You're going to see there's a double icon, which means double windows. There's a reading list. There's a send icon, and there's a back icon. What you need to do is go to these two double windows that shows multiple. It will show multiple pages open, and if I click that, you're going to see I have multiple pages open. And it's not good to do that. You should probably, close them out so you don't burn your battery out. If I slide up, you're going to see these are things that I look at a lot. It just kind of shows you Tom's Mac. But if you notice at the bottom, you've got done, which if I hit that, it goes back to there. Let's go back in. It's got a plus sign, which means I can add something. I could, add my Twitter, or it's got private. So this is what you have to do to get to private. Now, when I touch this, what's going to happen, it's going to turn into a black field, and it's going to light up. Right? That tells me that I'm now in private browsing. But you can see that there's no windows open. It has a message in here, but I'm going to show you the message here when I click on this. All right, bam, this is the message. All right, so if you read it, it says, private browsing mode. Safari won't remember the pages you visit, your search history, or your autofill information after you close a tab in the private browsing mode. So what you have to remember is this. When you're done, close the tab out. Because if somebody else opens up your phone and looks at private browsing, they're going to see what you were looking at. So let's just go ahead and we'll open up, Google in private browsing. So here it is. We're in private browsing. If you're looking through Google, doing a search, it's not going to remember it. It's not going to remember what you looked at. It's not going to save it. You're not going to see it in your history. And you're also going to see this black address toolbar or URL bar. So that lets you know that you're in private browsing. Now, if you look down here, it doesn't, if you want to get out of private browsing, you're going, well, what do I do? Well, here it says unknown. See that? So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. We're going to click on those, on the double window icon. It shows us our tab. Now, if you want to get out of private browsing and you want to get rid of this page, first of all, before you close out private browsing, close the page out. And the way you do that is by clicking that X. Bam, it's gone. Now there's nothing in your private browsing mode. All right. So now you can go here, and if you see how this is white, well, when I click it, it's going to go back to the other way or dark. And that tells you that you're out of private browsing. Bam. Now I'm in regular browsing, and you see my stuff comes back. Now, as I said before, make sure you close this stuff out because you're going to burn your battery up. And just go back to regular. And bam, that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on iPhones. Peace out.